Hello everyone. This vanity in my guest bathroom is getting me exhausted because it is so old looking. I am so ready to redo this vanity. So follow me along and let's see what it comes out to look like at the end. The first step is cleaning the vanity. This TSP product is good for cleaning before you paint. It can be used on wood, deck, I guess walls. You can get this from Home Depot, probably Lowe's. I got it from my daughter who just so happened to have some, but I did see it in the store and it ran for about $4. Now that I have it clean, I am removing the doors. I'm going to take these hinges off and paint them. I'm taking all of the doors off and I'll be wiping everything down and get started with that. Okay, my next step is to get ready to sand this vanity. And I'm just going to use this regular little block sander that I picked up from Walmart. And I'm just scraping it with the grain to remove any excess stuff off of it. And you can see it's a little stubborn right there. So you just want to do this till it's nice and smooth. That's going to help your primer to adhere. Once you sand it, then you want to take your cleaner and just go through it again. Wipe all the extra sand off of your vanity or whatever you're painting and make sure that's nice and clear so that it can adhere properly. Now I am applying the primer. I did this one with the drawer open, which was hard. I found it easier to do it this way with the drawer closed. These drawers do not come out. So if you have those type of drawers, do them with them closed rather than open like this, because I had to work really hard around that. And as you get into the doors here, I am applying a second coat of primer on top of this, making sure that it's nice and smooth. I find that it might have been easier for me to get the edges with the brush, but you live and you learn. That's the way I did this side. As I moved on to the edges or the side of the vanity around this toilet paper holder that I refuse to remove, which means I'll have to clean it later, I just went ahead and did the primer. And that's the doors, and that's the whole vanity once the primer is completed. The next day, I started with my paint, and I'm not going to take you guys through this whole painting process. I'm using this antique white satin finish, which is Bird paint. It was about $15, but I'm going to use this color and do the vanity in this color. I think it's going to be a nice wake up for this vanity, so I'm not going to walk you through this entire painting process. You do it just like you do the primer or any type of paint. Okay, now that I've applied the paint, as you can see, I have a few points of touch-up I need to do. I'm going to do that, and then I'll be adding some nice decorative knobs to this vanity for a new modern updated look. Well, this is the finished product, and I must say I am very pleased with it. I love the way it came out. I love the way it blends with this countertop. It just looks really wonderful. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Here's an idea of the before and after. This is before, as you can see, yuck. And that's the two side by side. And this is the finished product, and I absolutely love it. Make sure that you like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.